have a look. So it's raining a lot since yesterday night in Hoi An, and just I'll show you the place that we are staying in. This E-home. This is how the place looks, and it's really beautiful inside. Anyway, so we're ready. We borrowed these what do you say, ponchos from the people who stay here, and I think it's something similar to what I wear back there, which is in the black color. And Forum is getting ready as well. She's also got her own poncho, and I think she's trying to get her dress fixed by the auntie over there. She's fixing it. Wow, this is our ride, which we got in 120 ND per day. It's like a decent deal over here. Literally like a very calm, cozy village. See those dogs, dog pups playing, people going on the bicycle. I think she's ready. She just got her dress fixed.
So better now and decent.
Nice.
Wow, I'm so happy, man.
She stitched it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Right away, you think?
That's good stitching.
Quick stitching and good stitching.
Yeah, so she's ready with her poncho.
Yes.
This is mine, I'm wearing it. And they're ready.
Oh, yours is like thicker.
Yeah,
they
that's
did-
why it's from the
yeah.
packet.
Yeah. I want plastic. It has rained, you guys, and everything looks much greener. Right.
Huh?
Right. एक मिनट रुक नहीं लेफ्ट लेके राइट मेन हाईवे पे जाना था, बट आगे से भी जा सकते, चल ले ले. हाँ हाँ. I am having iced coffee right now. So strong.
This is the one. This is the one you had, right?
Yeah, more strong than this. This looks brown. Mine was like
Yeah.
rich, like dark black. I literally saw this. कम पड़ रहा है.
Condensed milk.
डाला उसने और फिर भी कम पड़ रहा था कंडेंस मिल्क. So I was like, please put more. It's too strong. और I think उसने फ्रीजर में रखा था, जिसकी वजह से वो कितना थिक आता है पता है ना, धीरे धीरे से गिरता है बेचारा. And she could not communicate, so she called her kid. Come, दीदी क्या बात कर रही है देख. So funny, but right now we are going for the coconut boat ride. I think something like this. So we got like card. Like there was this lady started following us on the highway, and we were like, what is happening? She's like, coconut. We were like, yes, give the card. So she gave us the card, and now we're having coffee before we like start our day, because I think I really need coffee. I'm so sleepy. So cheers. Okay, we are here at the coconut forest, in the coconut forest, and we now go for the ride. पानी है, कैसे जाएंगे? इतने सारे बोट्स in the coconut forest. And I'm wearing heels. What a stupid decision. Hi. How do I look? इतना क्यूट है ना कोकोनट बोट. Okay, I come. आज gloomy है, but कितने सारे सागर, look at that. कितने सारे like palm trees and stuff ऐसे. It's legit a coconut forest. What do I do? No. One. Where do I sit?
अरे देखो.
What do I do?
Nhiều chuyện quá đi. Đi cho đâu. Đâu vô. Photo đấy.
पकड़ के बैठ.
Wait. Tell me.
अबे गधी
Anh đây ra ngồi dậy đi.
पकड़ के बैठ जोर से
Ngồi sau như nước anh trong những đêm không ngủ, giá hoan em vẫn mờ cho ánh sao bay vào. Xa nhau đâu chỉ dài bao nhiêu, hồi thanh cho cách đời đến cháy ngời. Tại sao đã bao đầu giặc ly, một dàng dưới hầm sâu em cũng là chiến sĩ câu. Cuộc đời xanh tươi trẻ ngày đêm ta bên nhau, những đêm dài chiến đấu. Đêm ngày trong chiến đấu anh với em.
Was it good?
Mùa hành quân bão lan dài, chiến dịch đêm dài chiến đấu, ngày đêm ta bên nhau, những đêm
How was it?
I can't hear you.
You can't? Hey, there are crabs. Yeah. I pick. No?
No, no, no.
They
No.
eat?
No, no.
No.
कच्चा है वो पूरा.
Oh. I want to pick and eat. No?
No.
Nothing around? No. Oh.
Same, same.
Same?
Same.
Man, it's raining throughout the time we are here in the coconut boat, right? But it's okay. I mean, it's fine by us. I wanted to experience a different weather rather than the whole hot summer weather. And now almost we are done with the ride. We took like some amazing pictures. We went through some amazing like, what do we call, roads or what? Gullies, yeah. We went through that and it was amazing. All these coconut forests, experiencing like coconuts growing here and doing the dancing boat. Hilarious it was. I think it's off season and there's not like a lot of people right now because we do like all these coconut boats are just so empty, which is why we got this place to entirely to ourselves. And you know how much I like privacy, so I love this experience. We got it done for like 100 dong. Hi. From India they come.
India,
Yes.
Indo
Indo.
people.
Indo, Vietnam.
Indo,
Yes.
Vietnam. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Camo. Camo. Yes.
Cảm ơn.
Camo.
Cảm ơn. Việt Nam cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn.
Indo.
Yeah.
Việt Nam cảm ơn Indo.
Yeah.
Indo, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
We just talked in some keywords, but it's okay, it's fun. I think this is a must when you are in Hoi An. And any which ways, we are staying on the countryside of Hoi An. We are not staying in the ancient town. You know the difference, like countryside is a little far from the proper Hoi An ancient town, and which is exactly again how I like it, because there's less crowd here, there's not a lot of people, and that place was entirely crowded, what we saw yesterday. And yeah, this is not touristy at all, like not that touristy. I guess.
We legit saw like only 3 or 4 boats.
Boats, yes.
And yeah, it's like a personal
Personal
tourist
time,
thing
yes.
that we did.
Anyway, we are done.
Yes, we docked the boat.
Okay.
We liked it in the rain.
Oh, okay.
Trying to communicate through Google Translator?
Google Translate is like savior for us.
Yeah, totally.
You can go and take picture.
Take picture.
Okay.
Yes. Make a video because I not sure the swimming.
Oh,
Yes.
but beach, sand wet.
Yeah.
Yes, so
yeah,
wet. Yeah.
very wet, right? Okay. I'm asking her about the vegetable village.
Vegetable village.
Vegetable village. Yeah.
Vegetable village.
Yeah?
Yeah. Where is it? Like is good now?
It's good.
Now in rain.
Well, I think it's beautiful. More
What is this? Mango?
Mango.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wow.
Dry mango.
Dry mango.
Mmm. Sweet. Sweet.
Lấy húi dùng tiền
Come
nữa.
on. Come
Rồi
on.
đi biển mình không.
Okay.
Nói thì xuống đầm uống hết trơn. Ok, bye bye.
Right.
Thank you for this.
Very sweet.
She's okay? Friendly?
Very friendly, yeah, very nice. Okay, we ordered the food and we like had to explain what the veggies we want. So she made this like sorted noodles with vegetables for us, and it looks so delicious. And there's like some sides. Sarah's having beer. I'm having the mango blended, which is also called Sinthokhoi. Sinthokhoi. It's so tasty. बहुत दूर हो जाएगा. So difficult to eat with chopsticks. Jacket में.
That's how casual her videos are.
Yeah. We found friends from India. Hey. Namaste. Finally. And of course we are discussing about vegetarian food. And वो भी खाकरा लेके आए और हम थेपला लेके आए. That is our survival food. Cheers to that. Guys, we found this on the beach.
It's very heavy.
It is very heavy. Tire है. Sagar is going to try. Cement.
Oh, move ही नहीं हो रहा है.
क्या बोल रहा है? ट्राई कर. उठा.
नहीं हो रहा.
अरे उठा.
अरे भाई बहुत heavy है.
चेस्ट मार.
ये देखो.
ओह.
ये सही है.
ये कैसे सीमेंट से बना है? कर. Bye guys. Even I want to try. ये देख ये मार. This is for biceps.
Which one?
This.
How is this bicep?
Oh,
ये ना?
हाँ हाँ. आराम से. खींच. नहीं हो रहा.
ये है ना heavy है.
ये है. But इधर ऐसे करेंगे ना फॉर्म के साथ अच्छा होगा.
But ये पाम होगा. ये
पाम नहीं
बादाम
है.
का झाड़ है ये.
बादाम है.
हाँ बादाम है वो.
ये बादाम है.
हाँ. कच्चा बादाम.
We were on the Angbang beach and it's not fun. I don't know
Maybe it was
why.
because it's raining.
Yeah, probably it's because it's
Also
raining.
because you've been to Goa so many times, so many beaches in the
I've seen
country.
much better beaches and I'm like, okay, no. I just want to explore the green side of Hoi An now. I think.
On
No.
a very random note, तू बटली लग रही है suddenly.
We're now leaving towards the vegetable village. Let's see what we can find there. Honestly, because it's raining today, there's everything that's shut and you know nothing feels very exciting or fun. So let's see. Even the beach looks so gloomy. Vegetable village and we entered and wow, it looks so surreal. Everyone here is farming and it just feels like a different world, man. You just enter a lane and there's like all the vegetables growing. So cool, dude.
ये लड़की को देखो, कहीं भी चली जाती है अपना समझ के. देख रहे हो ना.
The world is a gift and we gotta utilize the most of the gift.
कितना पिया?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I just know when I see the right, मेरे को नल दिखा है, I'm like I gotta wash my feet because यहाँ पे मेरे को कहीं पे नल नहीं दिखा. to a cafe to have coffee. Obviously, I mean.
Sure.
How are the spring rolls?
जैसे दाना भी से ज़्यादा
Okay, hi guys. I don't remember the last time I vlogged, but back in the room, took a shower and did a little of my skincare. Now I'm on bed. I was just journaling, and I realized I forgot to vlog. Oh my god. But yeah, I think we had dinner at this place. We ordered like 4 veg spring rolls, but I don't know how they turned out. But it was on a rooftop thing, so we liked that. Then we were walking, and I wanted to really sit at some place outside, some cafe or some restaurant on the cobble streets because it was raining and I really wanted the whole vibe. So we found one street and we found like a restaurant which is called Hoi An, and it was really interesting because they had these frames and those pictures were of last year, and the owner clicked those pictures of his brother. I'll insert those pictures here. It was when, you know, the water had risen like so much and they were still sitting outside on those chairs, the same chairs that we were sitting on today, and they were just like living and like managing everything. So those pictures were really cool to watch. And we also met an American couple there, and they were from New Orleans. The guy's name was Charlie and the girl's name was River, which was such a cute name. And we talked so much. I think we were non-stop talking. We had so many things to talk about. We talked about different places, different cultures, things that we didn't like at certain places, things that we are looking forward to about India, and how, and like, you know, they have watched Mahabharata. Even I have not watched the entire Mahabharata, which is so like interesting. And yeah, it was such a cool talk. I think we talked for almost like one and a half hour and we didn't realize that time had passed. So it was almost like 9 p.m. and then we were like, okay, we need to like take a move because it was getting late. So we left, and then Sagar was hungry, so we stopped again, and we at this place, so a lot of shops shut like by 7:38 max. Everything shuts here in Hoi An by that time. There were just a few shops open, so we found one, and he said he can serve us vegetarian food. We were like, great, and we ordered for like pho soup, I think, which is the noodle soup, and he gave us like veggies and everything inside, customized it entirely for us. No fish, no meat, no egg. And we had that, and then we went, and then we came all the way back here, and by that time everything was literally dark and it was raining. But again, like, we wanted to have ice cream because we didn't have ice creams in so many days, so we stopped. We got ice cream, and I got a conditioner, hair conditioner. It was so difficult finding. I don't know why, but I could not find a hair conditioner throughout the trip. This is the first time when I washed my hair I put conditioner. So yeah, that happened. We came back, and we were really we came back to the room, and we realized that we don't have a stay for tomorrow or the next day, and we don't have any plans. So what are we supposed to do? We have like 2 days, and what should we do? Because we have been just traveling a lot and doing so many things. So for now, we have just booked our stay in Da Nang. We're gonna go to Da Nang tomorrow. Leave from here and leave for Da Nang, and then I'll update you guys about everything else. Meanwhile, I'll leave pictures and videos for you all to see, or you can check my Instagram, and I'll be posting all my reels and putting all about what I'm doing and all the details of the homestays, hostels, wherever I'm staying on my highlights. So you can also check those out. And let me know if you have any other questions. I'll see if I can answer them in the comments below. Cool. See you tomorrow in Da Nang.